What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Happy Friday, TGIF! It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes! I love me Fridays. And the one thing I love better than Fridays is retiring the Pipe Doctor hat, because it's time for out with the old and in with the new. Here are the new Pipe Doctor FlexFit hats. I have them in large and extra large. Fits like a glove. And if you have a small cranium, like some people we know, like Daniel Mini-Me, also available in small and medium. And for all of my very lovely and beautiful and sexy viewers and subscribers, I have a special for you. I have about a dozen of these remaining. A dozen of them. 1 fucking dozen! Why do I have a dozen hats? Well, I bought too many. I thought maybe some people would buy these hats for $35. That's what it cost me to embroider these hats, buy the hats, and then ship them out to you. But I got to tell you what. If you're inclined to donate $10 to the postage fund, I'm going to put one in a box and mail it to you. Priority mail anywhere in the United States. If you're inclined to donate $10 to the postage fund, I will send you the old school Pipe Doctor hat. How is that? You see, I always keeping it real because I love you and you love me. So if you want a brand new Pipe Doctor hat with that new color, look at this. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Right? Details in the description box down below. And if you want one of the old school Pipe Doctor hats, all I ask is a donation to the postage fund of only $10. And keep in mind, if you're in the Charleston, South Carolina area, and you're tired of working for a mediocre company, and you want to work with me, email me, Mike@mikeypipes.com. We're a few months away from our grand opening in Charleston, South Carolina. It's going to be epic, so make sure you stay tuned to the Mikey Pipes channel. And for the uncensored, unfiltered, raw version of me, make sure you smash that thumbs up button on the Uncensored channel. Thank you so much for watching. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.